I think our club's definitely had a lot of progress over the last few years. One of our club focus is one club. So we really just put a lot of focus into the women's side to make them feel included.
Every now and then we'll do a one club training session, which is really good and it's really beneficial, and I think everybody gets amongst it, and like that's at the end of the day all you want to see is everyone getting around each other and supporting each other.
And I think when we train together and we have our pre-season camps together and after game functions, it's all important having the one club all together.
Everyone works together, whether you're setting up, whether you're holding an event, everyone works together hand in hand. There's no the boys do one thing or the girls set up, or there's none of that. Like the club just makes it really comfortable.